Children, I am making a small cursive video for you. We will write the capital letters. So we will practice. I will send you the video and please watch it and write the capital letters in correct formation. Alright, so we will start from the A, letter A. Which is the first letter? Letter A. So let's see from where we will start. As you all know, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, 2 pink line and 2 blue lines. Okay, so we will start from the third line. A little curve, see, a little curve when they a tilt line, come down, go up till blue line and move like this. This is A. Okay, again take one finger gap and we will write it 3 times. Okay, so again a small curve, tilt, go up, touch the pink line and a small curve and come down. Okay, touch the blue line, then go up and touch the second line, make it like this and this. This is A. One more time, a small curve, tilt line, again a small curve and come down and touch the blue line, go up till a blue line and do it like this. A. Okay, now the next line. This, what comes after A? Letter B. Okay, A sound A. What is the sound of A? A. A. Apple. Okay. What is the sound of A? A. Okay, now let's come to the next letter, that is letter B. And the sound of B is B. What is the sound of B? B. Ball. Bat. Okay, so from where we will start B? B will start from the very first line, means the pink line. Okay, make a straight line. Now small curve and go up and again touch the line. Can you see this? And make a curve like this again and do like this. Understood? Now one more time we will practice. See, we will start from the pink line, a straight line. Now a very small curve and touch the line again and then do like this. One more and turn. See children, this a circle will be small and this will be little big. Okay, so we will start the pink line. We will start from the very first line, pink line, straight line, a small curve, go up, a small curve again and a big curve and like this. See, this tummy should not be very big, like you will not make it like this. This is wrong. Okay, and please children watch the formation from where I am writing, from where I am starting. Please make sure that you will start from the same way. Okay, otherwise it will be wrong. Okay, now next is, let's do what comes after B. A says A, B says B, C. Now we come to the next letter, that is C. C says K. What is the sound of C? K. Okay, so please revise the sound with me. Okay, we will start the C from the third line, means which color? Blue line. So a small curve, make a C like this. It's like a small C. This is the C. Okay, but make sure you start from the correct line. Okay, so we will start the C from the third line. Say a curve, a tilt line, again a curve, come back to the same curve and C. Okay, now again curve, tilt line, come back to the same line and see. See children, we can make, you people make like this. This is wrong. You have to start from the third line. Okay? So today we will learn only 3 letters A, B, C. Okay? Revise these letters. If you find any difficulty, do tell me. I will explain you again and again, but please don't make wrong formation. And let's revise the sound of these alphabets. A says E, B says B, C says K. Okay? Like B at bat, K at cat. If you learn the sound of these alphabets, reading will be easy for you. Okay? So do learn the sound with me and please make in right formation. Okay children? Please practice these words at home again and again because cursive need more and more practice. Okay children? Okay.